Hello students, welcome to Chartered Coaching Classes. Today we will solve the practice set 1.1. Earlier we have known the definition of set and types of a definition. Okay, now we will go to example number 1. Question 1 first is write the following sets in a roster form. Here are some statements and we have to convert these statements in a roster form. See, the first question is set of even natural numbers. Which are the even natural numbers? Even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So we will write it as a set A in curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, bracket complete. Next is second one, set of even prime number from 1 to 50. Okay, from 1 to 50 there is only one even prime number, that is 2, because after that each number will be divided by 2. So 2 is the only number which is even prime in between 1 to 50. 7 basic sounds of Sargam. 7 basic sounds of Sargam are Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha and Ni. We will write them Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha and Ni. Okay, these are the 7 basic sounds of a Sargam. Next, last one is set of negative integers. Negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. We will write it as a set D is equal to in curly bracket -1, -2, -3 and so on, curly bracket complete. This is how we have converted these statements in a roster form. Now we will move towards the question number 2. Question second is write the following symbolic statements in word. Here they have given us 3 symbolic statements and we have to convert them in words. Okay, let's see. 4 under root of 3 is is an element of Q. We will write it as is an element of set Q. Okay, -2 is not an element of set N. We will write it as it is. -2 is not an element of set N. Next one is P is equal to, P is a set of all P such that P is an odd number. Write it as it is. P is the set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Okay, then we written all the statements in the word. Then next, in your textbook they have given you the question number 3, that is write any 2 sets by listing methods or by rule method. You can write any of sets whatever you want. We will move towards question number 4. Write the following sets using listing method. All months in a solar year, that is Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh. These are some months in a solar year. Then letter of word complement. We will write this set as a, suppose set C is equal to, letters in word complement are C, O, M, P, L, E. We will not repeat the letters of again E, M, N, and T. These are the letters which comes in the word complement. Next one is set of human sensory organs. Which are human sensory organs? These are the nose, eyes, your skin, ears. Okay. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Names of contents of the world. You can write them. Question number 5 is write the following sets using rule method. Okay. We will solve this question. This is the last question from your textbook, that is write the following sets using rule method. These two are the examples. See 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are the some numbers given in set A. What are they? See, these are the squares of a natural number. Square of a 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, and so on. We will write it as A is equal to, in curly bracket, x. A is a set of all x such that x is equal to n square. N is the natural numbers and n is an element of natural number where the squares are from 1 to 10. So n is equal from 1 to 10. Okay, this is how we write it. Second is C. In set C, there is SMILE, and these are the letters of a word smile. We will write this set as C is equal to Y. C is equal to Y. So Y is the set of letters in a word smile. Here we have completed the practice set 1.1. Try to solve the remaining 3 examples in 5th question. Thank you.